everybody, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you my new Galaxy fidget cube. See this? Beautiful. And my new Galaxy LED fidget spinner. It's cool, so cool. Man, do you know how cool this is? This just came. Spencer's a little bit sad because his hasn't come yet. So.
And I only ordered just a fidget cube.
He ordered just a fidget cube. I ordered both. It's awesome.
Making bigger.
Look at this. It's amazing fidget spinner. It's so cool. Don't you think?
Yeah.
All sides.
And it was in the same
Which amazing. Same package. I got the only cool package was the fidget cube. Yeah. And this.
It's like
A galaxy coloured.
And mine is like a little graffiti one.
Yeah, Spencer's is getting a graffiti one. Mine looks so cool. I love it so much.
It's like my graffiti football.
Let's go outside and do it. Ready?
Inside last
Look how good it is. So cool. Ready?
3.
That is so cool. Awesome fidget spinners. Expect to get a project video uploaded very soon. And I'll see you all goodbye. Later. Goodbye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn out the bell on notification bell.
Yeah.
Become a Team TCG. See ya.